Hello, fellow Scratchers! Today, we're going to explore something incredibly exciting: creating your very own multiplayer game. You've probably played games where you team up with friends or compete against them on the same screen. That's exactly what a multiplayer game is. It's a game where more than one person can play at the same time, sharing the same keyboard and screen. This makes gaming way more fun because you get to share the experience, the laughter, the friendly competition directly with someone sitting right next to you. It transforms a solo activity into a social adventure. The magic of these games lies in the shared experience. Imagine racing a friend to a finish line or working together to solve a puzzle. The excitement builds because their actions directly affect what happens to you. Building this kind of game might sound complicated, but with Scratch, it's surprisingly simple. Scratch uses visual blocks you snap together like digital Legos. Instead, focus on the fun, bringing your ideas to life. Let's jump in and start building something amazing together. First things first, let's get our workspace ready. You'll need to head over to the Scratch website. Simply open your web browser and type in scratch.mit.edu. If you don't have an account yet, now is a great time to create one by clicking Join Scratch. Once you are logged in, look for the Create button, which is usually at the top left of the page. Clicking this button will transport you into the Scratch editor. When the editor loads, you'll see a white area on the right called the stage. This is where all the action in your game will happen. You'll also see a friendly cat sprite already waiting for you. Let's start by giving our project a name. You can click on this and type in a cool name for your game, something like Epic Race. Now let's add our players. Look below the stage where you'll find the sprite pane. To add a new character, move your mouse to the blue circle with a cat face and a plus sign, and click on Choose a Sprite. This opens up Scratch's huge library of characters, animals, and objects. For a racing game, you might pick 2 cars or 2 running characters. Click on your first choice to add it to the stage, then repeat the process for your second character. Great job! Your stage is now set with 2 players, ready for action. With our 2 players on the stage, it's time to give them life by programming their controls. The key to a local multiplayer game is making sure each player has their own set of keys so they don't accidentally control each other's character. We'll assign one set of keys to player 1 and a completely different set of keys to player 2. Let's start with player 1. Click your first sprite's icon in the sprite pane. Let's use the arrow keys for player 1. Go to the Events category and drag a When Key Pressed block into the Code area. Click the little drop-down next to the key and change it to Up arrow. Now go to the Motion category and snap a Change Y by 10 block underneath the Event block. For the down arrow, use Change Y by -10. For left and right arrows, use Change X by -10 and 10 respectively. Now for player 2. Click your second sprite's icon in the sprite pane. The W, A, S, and D keys are a popular choice for the second player. Just like before, drag out 4 when key-pressed blocks from the Events category. For the first one, select W and attach a Change Y by 10 block from Motion. For S, use Change Y by -10. For A, use Change X by -10. For D, use Change X by 10. Now you can test it out. Click the green flag and try pressing the arrow keys and the W, A, S, D keys. You should see each sprite move independently. You have successfully programmed 2-player controls. Now that you have a working multiplayer game, let's add a simple goal. For a racing game, you could add a finish line. Choose a sprite, click the paintbrush, and draw a line across one side of the stage. Now add Win Detection code. Use When Green Flag Clicked, Forever Loop, If Then Block, and Touching blocks to detect when players reach the finish line. Make each player say their win message when they touch the finish line. A simple race is now complete. Before you share your game, it's a great idea to test it with a friend, sibling, or parent. This is the best way to see if your game is fun and if the controls feel right. Do the characters move too fast or too slow? Adjust the numbers in the movement blocks to fine-tune the speed. Add obstacles to avoid or coins to collect for more excitement. Once you're happy with your game, sharing it is just a click away. Look for the orange Share button. This will take you to your project page. Be sure to write instructions in the instructions box. Player 1 uses the arrow keys. Player 2 uses W, A, S, and D keys. Give credit to anyone who helped you. Then copy the link and send it to friends and family. Congratulations! You are now a multiplayer game developer. You've learned to create characters, program controls, add objectives, and share your creation with the world.